Hey, I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures, and today on Vendors Tips and Tricks, we're going to be talking about preparation. Now, that preparation can be whether you're only doing one market a week, like a weekend market, or maybe you got a couple markets throughout the week, like a midday market, a Saturday market, and a Sunday market. But preparation is something that you really got to put some effort into, and it's really going to save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches as a vendor prepping for farmers markets. So one of the things you want to do is kind of devise a schedule, like on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Each day has an assigned task that you're going to do. Whether Monday is going to be your Facebook post, Tuesday is going to be product prep, Wednesday is going to be dealing with your financials, Thursday is going to be prepping your vehicle and your trailer, getting everything stowed and ready for the market, and then on market day, all you got to do is load, get in your vehicle and go to the market and set up. Having a plan, being prepped, that's super important as a vendor. It's going to help you be more productive. It's going to have you more on top of your game. It's going to have you more ready to do business when you get to the market. You're not going to be as frizzled. You're not going to be feeling like you're behind the 8 ball. So preparation is important. There's a lot of different ways to do preparation. There's a lot of great systems out there. If you're using like Google Calendars, a scheduler, on even Facebook, like your social media on Facebook and Instagram, the new business suite is actually a great thing to use. You can schedule your posts throughout the week. So you spend one day making all your posts, but they post throughout the week at set times that you schedule. So those are all tools that you can use in your planning to help make you more productive at the farmers market. So if you have any questions, concerns about planning, or you want some help or guidance, please reach out. Be more than happy to help you, and we can't wait to see you guys at your local farmers market. Hey, thanks for watching our short video here. If you guys like the info that we're putting out, you like the vendor spotlights, you like the vendors tips and tricks, then I ask that you give us a subscribe and a like. If you see something, give us a comment on one of the posts, but we'd love to have you guys along for the ride as we showcase our local farmers markets and our awesome vendors.